Understanding lobster tank in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the interesting phrase, lobster tank. We often encounter this term in various contexts, so understanding its meaning is key for English learners. Let's explore what a lobster tank is and how it's used in conversation. A lobster tank is a large, transparent container filled with water where live lobsters are kept, usually in a seafood restaurant. The purpose of the tank is to keep lobsters fresh until they are selected for cooking. When we talk about a lobster tank, we are often referring to a situation where the focus is on visibility and selection. In a figurative sense, the term lobster tank can be used to describe a situation where people feel they are being observed or chosen from, much like lobsters in a tank. This use is less common but can be found in creative or metaphorical speech. Let's look at some examples. 1. The new employees felt like they were in a lobster tank during the selection process. 2. Whenever I walk by the lobster tank at the supermarket, I feel a bit sad for the lobsters. I hope this explanation helps you understand what lobster tank means and how you can use it both literally and figuratively. Remember, learning a language is like exploring an ocean of words. So, keep diving in, and you'll discover more fascinating treasures. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.